Isang adventure park naman sa Bukod Benguet ang nakatandang ilunsad ng Department of Tourism ng Cordillera na magugustuhan ng mga naghahanap ng extreme adventure at tiyak na makakatulong na mapalago ang turismo ng naturang probinsya. Narito ang ulat ni Jonathan Lianes ng PTV Baguio.
Bilang pagpapalawig sa hanay ng turismo sa lalawigan ng Benguet, nakatakdang ilunsad ng munisipalidad ng Bukod, Department of Tourism Cordillera at ng SN Aboitiz Power ang Ambuklaw Adventure na kung saan dito matatagpuan ang Ambuklaw Hydroelectric Power Plant. Ayon kay DOT Cordillera Regional Director Purificacion Molintas, ang nasabing tour package ay naglalayong ipakita ang kagandahan ng Bukod sa pamamagitan ng trekking at boat cruising sa paligid ng Ambuklaw Dam. May tuturing din niya ito bilang bahagi ng market development strategy ng kanilang tanggapan na nagbibigay ng pagkakataon sa mga local government units sa buong bansa gaya ng Bukod na makabuo ng kanilang tourism strategy upang makahimok ng mga turista sa kanilang lugar.
So the turnaround now is for us to work closely with our LGUs, for them to work on their products. Sila talaga ang magpapatakbo ngayon ng products nila with guidance from the Department of Tourism.
Ipinaliwanag naman ni Bukod Mayor Mauricio Macay na aabot sa 80 participants ang unang susubok sa Ambuklaw Adventure na dadaan sa 4 na scenic spots na nakatakdang isagawa sa 26 hanggang 28 ng Oktubre ng taong kasalukuyan.
The Ambuklaw has the dam, man-made dam, and is now operating due to the construction of the help of the physical duties. So it's good that our attorney is here, Attorney Seniors. And also, we got have a recent competition within that dam. And kayaking also. Kayaking became established our kayaking there. And most of it is we trek to Mount Patoktok.
Kaugnay nito, isiniguro ni Atty. Mike Cosillos, Vice President for Corporate Services ng SN Aboitiz Power, na kanilang pagpapatuloy ang suporta sa Bukod, partikular na sa hanay ng turismo, upang magsilbing bagong tourism destination sa baging ito ng Benguet o 45 minuto mula sa lungsod ng Baguio.
This is a legacy project that was constructed in the 1950s, and this had been a major tourist destination in the municipality of Bukod since that time. Now, what we're trying to do here, and I would like to emphasize or highlight that what we're trying to do is we're trying to support the efforts of the local government, particularly the barangay government, in identifying activities and attractions in the area that will attract tourists. At this point, the 80 participants will probably be, most of them are adventure seekers and mountaineers. But what we're trying to prove is the proof of concept that if you build it, if you develop it, if you support it and provide facilities for an enjoyable stay, then people will come.
Mula sa lungsod ng Baguio at para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Jonathan Lianes.